Hi everybody, so today I want to do a simple use of Python to create a text in with very quickly. So first of all, I'm going to show you what is the text that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a test for multiple choice. um, Let me choose this one. There it is. So you just have your choices here. If you go into and you run it, and there is a voice speaking, and if you go and check how this is done, apart from the code, the questions are here, and they are in this variable here, and is a multi-line string, and the answers are separated by these three underscore here. So let's see how we can make uh, a different test with different data and with the same visual stuff here. And so we are going to copy this into, well, we're gonna use code for this. And the question, we want to have the question in a text file so that we can easily change them. I want to target these questions here. So now into this folder, I am going to open code. Let's run cmd first and then code from this folder. I'm gonna create a new file called create MC multiple choice MCQ multiple choice quiz. So here I'm going to create a multi-line string that contains all the let's call it template. Okay, so now that we have this, I want to create a little graphic user interface. So from import the tkinter as tk, and then root equal tk.tk, root.main loop. And for the moment I just want to put a button here. Create exercise. Let's pick it to make it visible. Let's run this. And okay, let's run this with this. Here it is, our little exercise here. Let me give it a little geometry to make it bigger. Okay. Now create exercise, it's a button. We want to give it a command that is equal to create. So let's define create here. Okay, we wanna wanna create the file exercise.html, write mode as file. Let's put here encoding equal UTF-8 so that characters with an accent or something like that will be correctly written, and so we want to write HTML. So if you take a look into you see there are no HTML file in here. Now when I run this and I create the exercise, sorry, I must put here right. Okay, let me run this. I created. Now I think we should have here the exercise HTML here. And if I run this, let's go here. If I run this, it should work. Let me see what is wrong at line 92. For some reason this is gone like this. Let me go into this one and see this little it's okay, it's this thing here that is not it's interpreted as a slash, and perhaps I must put another one of these, maybe. Let me see if it works. This should. Okay, perfect, now it works. Another things that I want to change here is this thing here that we don't need it, so I just have to, no, this one, we don't need this home button, was something that we don't need here. So let's run this again, create the exercise, let's go check it. We don't have that anymore. Okay, and so I think it should properly work. Okay, but now we want to change something, and we want to change this. And now to change this, we need to do some stuff. So first of all, I'm gonna put a list of all the files in here. So listbox equal tk dot listbox root lstb dot pack, and so we'll have this. And now lstb dot insert from 0 1.0, I don't remember well, but tk dot end, we want to insert, yeah, let me do for file in os.list there, list a equal um, no, okay, lst b dot insert. Okay, now we got our list here. Now list b dot bind, you wanna bind to I think this is the right thing to do. Let me see if it works. Okay, it worked. I don't want to use this. I want to use DAO double button. Okay, this is check. Def check print. Okay. Get the code. Close this. Double button. Double button. Bad event type. Yeah, I need this sign here. Okay, exercise. If I double button, takes 0, but 1 was given. Yes, let me put event here. Okay. So it works, but when we double click this, we want my questions. Okay, my quest. Okay, with op. Okay, with open list box dot. I think it's course selection. Okay, course selection. Index equal listbox course selection. This will show me the index, I think. Let me check it. It's 3. Okay, it's 5. And I want to just get the 0 data here. So this is object is not scriptable. Okay, sorry. 0 here. And this is 0, this is 1. Okay. Now I need to open stb. Let me see if this will get me what I need, the name of the No, I have to .get ind. Maybe this is better. Yes, this is the name of the file. So file is equal to this file name. So now I want to wait, open file name, and I want to write it. So I want to read it, and coding equal UTF-8 in case of Italian words with accents and something like that. We are going to text equal file dot read, and then I want to also print text to see what we have done here. Exercise, let me check these 61 questions. There is my question. Okay, now we need to do something more, because I need to transform this text into the kind of text that is accepted here. I choose this form here, and now I must adapt it to that. I think that to do that I may just replace, okay, text equal text dot replace the dash n. Yeah. No, before I do this, I want to text equal text dot split bit dash dash. Okay, I want this now is a list. Now for 14 text in this list, I want to replace n and t in the enumerate text. Text n, it will be text will be t dot replace I want to replace the dash n with the three things here. Let's see what become of this. Then print text. Let's see if I obtained what I have in mind. 61. I need to clear this. And let me see. Okay. Oh, I think I get it. So now, okay, perfect. It's a list. Okay, it's perfect. Now, I need to join this. So text equal dash n I think dot join text print text. Let me close the panel. How can I clean this? Okay, let me run this. Let me choose my 61. Okay, I think this now is what is good, I think. Okay, last thing I need to do okay, now I want to save this as a new file. Let me create a new file here and create choice quits 2.py. Okay, and I want to substitute these questions here. Yeah, and I want to put this into questions. This, okay. Let me put it this way. Let my DOM. Now let me go down, down, down. And then HTML okay. This should probably do. Let me check. Okay, 61. And let me see if it substituted it into. Let my DOM equal ta 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 ta. Okay, I think this worked. The only things that now I need to do lately is to save it. So with open my new exercise.html, comma, write encoding equal utf8 s file dot write html. Let's go and see if this works. I want these questions here. Here is the exercise. Now let's close it. Now let's see if it actually works with the new questions. Okay, let's see what is the problem. Okay, let me get this one. Let my DOM, right. Okay, let me see what I did. Let my DOM, you need this. Okay, let's run it again. Check it, this one. Go, run it. There is another problem. Unexpected identifier. Yeah, what we got here. Perhaps I think we got this thing here. The apostrophe is giving some the apostrophes. Okay. Let me try this. What is this sign here? I don't think it's 096, I think. Let me try a moment, please. Let me see that. Oh yeah. Perhaps I've put my 096 here. Okay, let me substitute it with just this. Replace all. Save it. Okay. Let's run it. There is another little problem here. What is that? Code reference. My DOM is, oh yeah. Okay. There is a last thing that I must, it's my DOM. I think it's like this, I think. There was no underscore. Let me close this. Close this, close this. We run it. 61. Go here. Oh, finally it worked. So, threads. Okay, now it seems to work. So, we did this little work here to adapt our questions, and so if I do check another exercise, I will have something. I got to choose here. Don't know if in marketing too there is something. Let me check here if there are other questions here. I don't have question, but I can do question 1, 2, 3. Save it. Marketing 2. Go here. Go check this 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is 1. I just have one button here because maybe I don't need this. Yeah, now it works. Okay, so you see we made this little program now to maybe able to make as soon as we can an exercise using Python to modify the script. Let me do that here in my, so I can use any kind of questions of txt file to make soon a file, an HTML file with the new exercise. Thank you and see you to the next time.